Okay, so while the camera died, I wrote that for FT3. Not FT2, I changed it as FT3, right? Because there's no FT2 in the problem. So we're just going to have fun and plug out everything in. So A3 is equal to FT3, which is that big, I don't even know what to call it. So that's FT3 minus M3G, all divided by M3. Wow, I don't even know what to do with that. Why don't we... Okay, well let's notice that there's an M3 in the bottom, right? And there's an M3 in the top and the top. So like, let's say we had something like 2x minus x squared over x. So, because there's an x here and an x factor on the top, x factor, haha, get it? For easier, okay. It's 2 minus x, right? So we can kind of do the same thing, but this looks really complicated. But look at and see that there's an m3 in the bottom and an m3 factor in both of the top terms. So we can cancel all these out. So now we're left with 8m1 m2g over that thing minus g, which is a lot simpler because now we can put g in terms of the denominator. So let's do that. Okay. Okay, so we're going to put g up there. So note that there's a minus sign, so that's going to distribute everywhere. This is m1 or m2 m3g minus m1 m3g minus 4 m1 m2g. And we can see that there's two m1 m2g terms, and we can combine those, and we get this as our tension, not tension, this is acceleration 3, sorry, yeah, acceleration 3 is this big thing right here. Doesn't that look beautiful? We spent 15 minutes trying to get that. So you know how they say the universe has elegant things? It's not one of them. So there we go. That's A3. Now we do the same thing for A2. So A2 is FT1. Notice that this is FT1, not FT3. So this is a 4, not an 8 on the numerator. Okay, FT1 minus M2G all over M2. We can do the same trick again. There's an M2 in the top and M2 in the bottom, so let's cancel those out. And then now we have, this, where we have a fraction minus g, so we'll do the same trick and put a common denominator of M2, M3, plus M1, M3, plus 4, M1, M2. And now we have 4 M1, M2, M3, sorry, g, minus, and we're going to multiply negative g by everything in the denominator. So M2, M3g, minus M1, M3g, minus 4 M1, M2g. And these two terms are the same. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Hopefully we know that. So 3 M1 M3g minus M2 M3g minus M1 M2. Hold on. Minus 4. 4 M1 M2g all over M2 M3. That's M1 M3 plus 4 M1 M2. And that is our acceleration too. Whoops, it kind of kills out a little. It's like a negative 4 minus 4.
Yeah, I'm going to the library. Are you?
Okay. Alright.
Oh, should we like duck?
Nah, yo, just go. Solid snake. Just go on.
Okay, now we're gonna have a student crossing. Student
Yeah, 3m1 m3g minus m2 m3g minus 4 m1. Yep, that's all.
Sorry.
You know how they have like Animal Crossings? Okay. So now on to the last one. Now that there's no students around. A1 is equal to ft1 minus m1g all over m1. So ft1 is that. So tiring to write it down. I feel like you have carpal tunnel syndrome by doing these problems. Minus m1g all over m1. Okay, and the trick again, m1 in the bottom, m1 in the top, m1 in the top, cancel, cancel, boom, boom. Okay, so now we have fraction minus g, so we're going to put a common denominator. Oh, no, earthquake.
Rod.
Yeah, you're on.
Am I on it, Rohan?
No way. Okay. 4 minus m2
Garble.
m3g minus m1 m3g minus 4 m1 m2g. Wow, that's long. Okay, so last step. Just combine these two things, and then we get 3 m2 m3g minus m1 m3g minus 4 m1 m2g all over m2 m3 plus m1 m3 4 m1 m2. This is our acceleration 1. Okay, so I think that's it. So happy face. That took a long time, but that's the answer.